guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like glow outline on top of a black and white video in Capcut PC. So actually I'm just going to copy and paste this video. Then I'm going to go to effects, go to video effects, and go to comic, add in this like neon outline. Also go to lens and add in an edge glow, like here. Then choose like a color of your choice for the glow. Blend mode, linear burn. Select everything. Oh, actually also you can go to effects and go to light effect and add in angel. Just adjust it though. Select everything except for the first clip, right click, create compound clip. And for the first clip, just go to adjustments and turn down the saturation, or add in the black and white filter. But first go to blend mode and choose the screen or the brighten like filter here. And then here you can go to adjustments and then turn down the saturation, and also maybe adjust the brightness a little bit and the contrast, so you can see the glow better. As you can see, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.